Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out can you use Chrome browser on Samsung Smart TV. Let's go. First way, Samsung TV has a built-in browser. Open App Store. Find and install Internet app. Open App Settings. Search engine, choose Google. Home page. Google.com. Second way, turn on screen mirroring on your phone and use the Chrome browser through your phone. So you can't install Chrome browser on Samsung TV. May if you have a Chromecast with Google TV. Now you know that it is impossible to use Chrome browser in Samsung Smart TV without a Google Chromecast device. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.